month-old cure can treat diabetes, tumor, stroke, sexually transmitted diseases, joint pain and more. As per different conventional sources, it has been trusted that dark cumin seed is a cure for all ailment. The extract of black cumin seed oil, which is also called thymoquinone, is actually a very powerful weapon against melanoma, pancreatic cancer, liver cancer, breast cancer, cervical cancer, stomach cancer, bone cancer, lymphoma, brain cancer, prostate cancer and colon cancer. As we said, black seed oil is a very effective way of treatment for many types of cancer. Unfortunately, it still isn't recognized enough by modern medicine. There may be various reasons for it, like political pressures that might be holding back tests on humans. Or the drug industry wishes to subdue the use of black seed oil. Whatever may be reasons, we will show you some insight into using cumin seed as a cure for all disease, particularly for cancer. There are two separate reviews made on 2011 by Chinese and Saudi Arabia, which were checking on explaining on the utilization of dark cumin seed oil as the growth treatment. As per them, the oil has been utilized for quite a long time as a conventional growth cure, and these reviews affirmed that it contains against tumor properties which can battle different sicknesses including diabetes, kidney maladies, cardiovascular issues, different sorts of disease, asthma, and some more. Egyptian researchers have been concentrate the impact of nectar and dark cumin seed oil on oxidative anxiety and growth, by presenting rats to a solid cancer-causing agent. 4 gatherings altogether were presented to the cancer-causing agent. Some of them were then encouraged dark seeds or nectar, and just a single gathering was bolstered with both fixings, consolidated. The rats were assessed following 6 months and the outcomes are, the ones that ate just dark cumin seeds, had 80% reduction against oxidative anxiety and growth arrangement. Yet the gathering that was encouraged dark cumin seeds and nectar had 100% security against tumor development, oxidative anxiety, and provocative N reactions. According to another study in Egypt, a laboratory experiment explored the anti-tumor effects of the combination of bee honey and black cumin seed oil on human liver cancer cells. The results showed that both ingredients were efficient in reducing the viability of cancer cells, and improved the antioxidant status of cells besides inducing apoptosis. Do have a try consuming it, to experience its miraculous benefit. We recommend developing a routine to eat a pinch of cumin seed early in the morning.